Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs and I'm back with another episode. Today I have this bar that I'm working on. I started this in Revit 2019 and exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. So at first I was left with a blank canvas, but I went ahead and started, creating my space for liquor and setting, just 3D warehouse stuff. And I built this lattice system, this wood system here in Revit, and I went ahead and started adding some 3D warehouse rope that I found to show support. I have my lights here also that I added from Revit 2019. But everything else you'll see that actually has some texture already is stuff that I downloaded from 3D Warehouse. See, like this table here has no texture at all, just white. That was from Revit 2019, but the chair is from 3D Warehouse. But anything that doesn't have texture, I'm going to add Thea Render 2.0 textures to it. So let's go ahead and get started with this project. So here we go. So first, I'm going to go ahead, now that I have all this set up, I'm going to go ahead and hide a lot of this stuff. So this will be hidden. This will be hidden. So the reason I did that was it really helps with going forward as far as moving within the model. If you have too much stuff downloaded from 3D Warehouse, especially when it comes to vegetation, 3D vegetation, it really slows down your model. But I like to always come back to a scene. So I'm going to go ahead and come back to, I'm going to set up a scene right here because my adding this scene helps me with hiding everything. And if I click on scene 2, it'll bring everything back because I created scene 2 with everything unhidden. So that's why I created the scene. That's why I created the scene 3. But let's go ahead and add some materials. I'm going to start with these columns. They're going to be concrete columns. And they all came in as components since I did it in Revit. So let's go ahead and open up our materials here. Let's go with 5. So we get that, apply it there, good. On that, these walls here, actually I want to make concrete too. That may change once we get a good look at everything, but like I said before, you'll have ideas in your head, and once you go ahead and model it out, you'll just change your mind like, not liking that too much. But let's just see how this plays out. With this, these are going to be wood. So let's go ahead and add a wood texture. And I was wanting to go with a rustic look. I wanted a rustic bar. So that's why I have the ropes supporting this lattice piece that I created in Revit. But let's see. So let's try to find some old wood. One, I like this one. It has a little more detailing in it. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay. All right. So we got our wood, we got our concrete walls. That's floor. Floor, I definitely want to do a wood. I want it to shine. Um, so let's see what we got. I don't want it. I don't the floor. I want the floor to shine. I want the floor to have some shine, like what herringbone gives. I'm gonna go with herringbone for now. After we do a rendering, I'll see if I how much I like it, and we'll try other ones out. So inside here, I want like a wood planking. Um, so let's try one of those woods, like something like this. Maybe this color. I think I want to add some light underneath also. depending on how the light hits it, the natural light hits it and illuminates the room. Um, I'm liking that already. Maybe I'll just do the top as some type of marble. Let's do the top as some type of marble. Some just stone. The white could work. I want to do dark base cabinets. Actually, I want to match what I got here. So what we do is just sample paint. Alright, let's go ahead and get the kick on the base cabinet. Okay, it'll get all of it for us. Cool. Countertop. Let's go ahead and match this material here and here. Okay. And you want to put some material here. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and I want these to have some color. Do like a copper. And I need an emitter here. Right here. Like this one. It should have hit all of them. Yep. Alright, so at this point, I want to see how, let's see how this render looks first. Oh, nice. Not certain about this planking I have here. I may want to go lighter so it'll pop out. So let's do that. Let's try this one. Okay, I do like that planking a lot better. It's just that now I don't like this dark wood here on the side and on the base cabinets. I really like this wood here, this wood for this lattice. And then the rope looks pretty cool. Better if I go with my original plan. Have that as marble. Oh, not that. Have this as marble with wood planking inside. Yes, that looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Alright, on scene 2 with everything. Nice. The emitters on these oh, I really like this. I like this lattice, and I can get creative and start adding some other things hanging from this lattice system. Alright, so I added these hanging lights. I downloaded from 3D Warehouse. Let's see how this looks back here. Oh, nice. That looks good. Oh yeah, I really like that. And I am going to go ahead and add some light back here. Not too much light, just enough so we can see what's going on. Let's get that blue axis. There we go. And I'll set this one, I'll set it to 11 but I'll only put it on maybe like 15. All right, let's see what this looks like. Okay, okay, it's getting it there. Nice. I really like those hanging lights. Pretty cool. I need to drop them down a little bit. And I like having the light color on the bar, but then the bar stools being a little darker. I think I'm gonna do the same thing with these tabletops here. So I know here in floor, there's some other wood flooring systems. Here it is. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, this looks really good though. Holy moly. I like how smooth and clean it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add I'm gonna do like a metal support here for this tabletop, but I'm gonna match this marble tile for the tabletop, base support here, and we'll be able to wrap up. I just need to add glass on the outside of this window, so let's go ahead and do that. I like doing everything in Revit because you bring it in, and if you have a bunch of components, it comes in as a component, so it's pretty cool. Um, so if I change one, it changes everything, which is really awesome. Just go up to metals. That works there. Now this top, we'll just go ahead and match here. Quick and easy. Let's not forget the bottom. We'll just match here. Okay. Alright, so I found this pretty cool chalkboard in 3D Warehouse. Pretty cool. Look, Africa, Russia, Europe, Asia, over here. Yeah, that should be fine. Kind of bring this table down a little bit so we can see it. Just some extra dining. And go ahead and add my glass. So I like to see the reflection. I just don't want to leave this open. Go to transparent, then glass. All right. Back here. Nice, 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 nice. I really, really, really like this. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks.